Welcome back to another Amazon review. Today we're talking about this wired LED light mechanical mouse, TMKB. So right away, you have a nice box, a simple design, easy to unwrap and open with the instructions on it. You're greeted with the TMKB 60 mechanical keyboard, neatly protected and wrapped. Right beside it, you do have the accessories, the detachable USB-C keycap puller. Once it's connected, the LED's lights will turn on. It also comes with a kickstand at the bottom of the keyboard, which I do love so much. So guys, let me show you all the lights and also a key sound test. What do y'all think?